Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. How are you doing? Depends on where you are calling me from. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, right? But here in Nigeria is afternoon, so good afternoon, everyone. So basically what I want to show you guys this afternoon is how you can easily identify a fake out in the market, right? How do you identify a fake out in the market? So the reason why I'm actually showing you guys this video is to identify, or is to know how you can easily identify or know that this is a fake out in the market, right? So I won't spend much time on this. I want to make this video as short as possible, right? I want to make this video as short as possible. If you feel like you like or you enjoy this video, kindly click on the like button and subscribe on my YouTube channel, right? Because I'll be dropping a tips for you guys that will help you to grow your account when it comes to the Forex market, right? So without wasting much of our time, wasting much of time, I would quickly delve into how you can easily identify a fake out in the market, right? So looking at these pairs right now, this is GBP USD, right? This is GBP USD. So you can easily identify a fake out by simply understanding what the candlestick or what the market is saying at the present time, right? At the present time. So if you look at these this market at this point, right? If you look at this market at this point, what you would observe is that this green line you are seeing here, this green line you are seeing represents a previous support, right? A previous support. And if you look at what the market did from this previous support, the market went up, retested this resistance, went back up, break this previous resistance, which is this, right? Break this previous resistance, which is this, came back down and broke, right? And broke this support, right? This previous support. The market broke this previous support. So what you need to understand is that as a newbie, I see that most newbie actually enter the market because they see a breakout in the market. So you need to understand what a fake out is and what is not a fake out, right? And the easiest way to understand this is to understand the market itself, is to understand what the market is doing at that present moment. So based on this, the market went up, tested the resistance, came back down, broke this resistance, came back down and broke this support, right? The market broke this support. As for a newbie, what newbie will be expecting is that since the market has broken this previous support, we have a support here, we have another support here, that's two support, right? Since the market has broken this previous support, what newbie will be anticipated for is that a bearish move, right? What they will be looking at is a bearish move, but that is not exactly what is happening in the market at this present moment. So for you to identify a fake out, right, what you need to do is to go to your higher time frame. Did I just say higher time frame? Yes, exactly. Just go to your higher time frame. That is the easiest way of how you can easily point out or fix out if the market is actually a fake out or not. If you look at this, right, if you go to 30 minutes, right, what do we have in 30 minutes? You can see that the market still broke this previous support in 30 minutes, right? So the market still broke it. So you can say, oh, if you look at this red candle, the red candle actually broke the previous support. So for a newbie, you can easily say, oh, the market is about going bearish, right? It's about going bearish, and you see some newbies entering the market, setting their stop loss, and be anticipated that the market will go bearish. But let's go on 1 hour and see what the market says. You can see what we have in 1 hour. You can see that the market came all the way to this low and did what? And went back up, right? The market came all the way to this low and did what? And went back up, right? So that is actually how you can easily identify a fake out in the market. Even if you see this previous candle, right? This previous red candle did not broke the support. This previous candle did not broke the support. And this recent red candle came all the way down and even went back up and closed above this previous this support level, right? So that is easy. That is the easiest way to identify a fake out in the market. You don't jump into the market because you see the market move in a lower time frame. You need to understand what the market says in the higher time frame as well before you enter into any market, right? So that is actually the easiest way to identify. I think I have another example here, right? If you look at this, right, let's go to 15 minutes and see what we have in 15 minutes, right? So if you look at this in 15 minutes, right, this 15 minute, this actual green candle, right, did what? It broke this previous resistance. And as a newbie, you'll be anticipating that since the market has broke the previous resistance, so what are we looking for in the market? So we'll be looking for a bullish move, but that is not the case. You don't have to jump into the market. You need to figure out what is really happening in the market at the present moment, right? You don't just enter the market. Figure out, do your analysis before entering the market. So if you look at this present candle, the present candle is telling you that it broke the previous resistance and it closed above the previous resistance. But you need to identify if this candle is actually a fake out or not. So the best way to identify is go to your higher time frame. Let's go to the 30 minutes and see what happened in the market, right? So let's go to 30 minutes and see what happened in the market. So in the market, you can see that we still have what? We still have, right? You can see that in 30 minutes, what do we have? The market came all the way up and did what? Went back. So if you identify this, you know that this is not the best time to enter the market. Look at the next candle. The next candle opened and closed below this previous resistance. Look at the next candle. What do you have? You have a shooting star, which tells you this is the time to enter a bearish move. So some newbies in the market would have entered the market when the market closed above the previous resistance on the lower time frame, thinking that the market would go bullish. But as a professional, you need to know what happened in the higher time frame, or what is happening in the higher, or what is about to happen in the higher time frame, right? So if you understand this, see the next candle give what? A shooting star. See the long tail, right? So if you enter this market at the close of this shooting star, look at the pips you would have caught, right? That's 35 pips, man. That's 35 pips. And if you are a long time trader, right? If you're a long time trader, just imagine the pips you would have caught in the market. Imagine the pips you would have caught in the market, right? From this shooting star all the way down, all the way down. That's 134 pips, right? That's 134 pips. So you need to identify what is happening on the higher time frame, if it's actually a fake out or not a fake out. You don't just base your analysis on the lower time frame, right? So that is what I have for you guys in this video. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be dropping a wonderful tips in the Forex market that would actually help you guys to grow your account from a lower amount to a higher amount, right? So that is what I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy this class. I hope you guys enjoy this video. You can go over this video. I'm going to upload it on YouTube, right? You can go over this video and watch it over and over again till you understand how to identify a fake out in the market, right? So thank you, everyone. Hope you enjoy this video. For now, bye.